lowers down right in there. Yeah. Because that's the forward flank right there. Oh, oh my Lord. If only it was like... You can literally see, I see the forward flank right there. And look at that! Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. It is. I think this is more lightning. Oh my God, you see that? There's, yeah, there is. I think there's definitely a wall cloud in there. It's coming down. It's probably, might be a violent tornado.
Oh man.
Dear Lord. I don't want to get struck by lightning though. That's kind of scaring me.
This thing's a monster. Yep. Honestly, I've been chasing this thing since the wind blew up. Yeah.
Oh my God.
This seems to be scary.
Oh wait, I see the wall cloud.
Look, yep. It's dragging, but it's there. Definitely a wall cloud right there.
Yep. Can't tell if it's on the ground yet though. Don't love it. This is when we start getting, dude, it's right there. It might be, look at that! Giant wall cloud, absolute giant wall cloud.
Absolutely.
Right here, off to the left. You're getting so close. Oh, it's a tornado!
Really? Right now?
Right here. Hey, Hayden, get ready. Get ready a sec. Hayden, get in. Hayden, get in. Hayden, get in. There's a giant tornado right here. Dude, I can freaking hear it. Dude, I can freaking hear it. I can hear it. Yep, it's right there. It's on the ground right there. Look at it. It's on the ground. Hey, get in. The rain's coming. Get in. Power flash. Hayden, get in, man. You gotta get in.
Are we going to, are we getting closer?
Just get in.
Oh man.
It's getting completely wrapped in rain. It's gonna hit Rolling Fork, man. It's on the ground, it's just confirmed.
Oh my gosh.
We We gotta be very careful. Power flash, big old power flashes.
Oh my God.
It's right here. Power flashes right in front of us. Power is right here. I can't run into it. Just we gotta be careful.
Oh man.
Get ready. Power flash right in front of us.
We need to 0 meter this. Oh,
Power flash.
This thing is big. Was that a
Power flash?
Oh my gosh.
Power flash right in front of us.
Gosh.
Just moving through Rolling Fork right now. Can hit RFD. Just want to creep forward.
Yeah. Man, where did all our light go?
Ah, frick. Power!
Oh
look
my
at that
gosh!
giant tornado!
Giant tornado!
Giant!
Oh. We have to be very careful that we do not.
It's moving away from us right now,
Yeah.
so we can get.
Okay.
It's right in front. Look at it. You can see the right edge
gosh.
right there. It's north of Rolling Fork. Just cross through Rolling Fork.
Oh, do we need to check for damage? There's a big tornado.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Just see when we get up here.
Power flash.
Where?
Just over there.
Is it on the right side of the road now?
Yeah, it's on the right side.
Okay. Okay.
So we're good.
Oh, trees.
Power
trees.
flash.
Trees. Oh Lord. It crossed right here.
Oh no.
It crossed right here.
Oh my God.
Watch out.
Oh, we have to check. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, good Lord.
Holy.
Oh.
Oh my Lord.
Dude, we have to get out. We have to check for damage. Or we have to check for people.
Oh. This is a freaking Family Dollar.